Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. So you can see today I'm using my Loom to record, to screen record, and I'm going to be talking about some of the fantastic new functionalities and old functionalities of Canva. So if you're interested in this topic, then please keep on watching. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about some of the old and new features of Canva. Let me first of all just navigate to that page. So I'm just going to type in Canva, and I happen to have a pro account, but it is free for educators, and I think it's just an amazing tool. I've actually already created a video explaining how to use it, but they keep coming up with new functionalities. So when you go into canva.com, just sign up for a free account and have a little play first of all. I like to have a look at the top bar here that gives you the choices of templates. So with presentation, social media, video, print products, marketing, office, and if you click here, you'll be able to see all of the different templates. I mean, it is amazing. I love the infographics and asking my students to create different infographics. So let's just go on to here. I'm going to move myself out of the way. And it's just beautifully designed. Look at this. You have educational infographics that you can just use. So let me just drag that and put that over there so that you can see. Oh, maybe, yep, there we go. So here's a data one, and you can change the colors. I mean, this is just phenomenal. So let's go back and have a look at some of the other templates and how you could use this. So I always like to just look at the whole selection of templates, either from here or the bottom menu that you just saw. If students are designing their own books, they're creating and writing their own books, there's book covers, or if you're self-publishing a book, then you can actually use this as well. This is one of the new ones that I hadn't seen, so I wanted to share this one in particular. Look at these mind maps. They are phenomenal. And I think for visualizing data as well, so let me just, pop that across. So being able to visualize data so students can actually use this. What's this one? Design thinking brainstorm. So they actually have the 5 steps of the design thinking process from D School at Stanford. So you could ask your students to be filling this in. Remember, we want these steps to be iterative, and so there should be arrows going back and forth everywhere. Let's just have a look at some of the others. Planning an essay. Even look at this main question and then just giving you the themes under each of the main topics headings. So main argument, introduction, the mechanics. I think that would be useful for me, myself. Here is, another, I think, planning document in terms of looking at a problem, identifying different solutions. I mean, this is phenomenal. I could keep going. I'm just going to keep looking at some of these. Let's have a look at this one. What's this one? Yep, this one. So you've got little post-it notes here, and you can use this as a collaborative online tool. So by sharing, so you can press share here and share these so that people can edit. So just like a Google Slides, for example, you can have quite a few people on this. And especially in different parts of the world, we're able to use some tools and not, but I think Canva, you can pretty much use across the board. And let's just go back here. It's just endless, the different templates there are. So if I go back to home again, so I can actually get down here to all of the different templates as well, just by pressing the arrow. So the infographic we saw, if you're putting together a resume, you can use one of their beautiful templates. So if you're applying for a job, I mean, it's just endless, the amount of tools and templates there are. And these have been designed by the top designers in the world. So, we know that the quality of these is phenomenal. And you can also see their certificates. So if you wanted to award certificates of participation after a workshop or to your students, let's look at the worksheets. I'm always curious to see what the worksheets are. Okay, nice. Like looking at different patterns. Nice. So it's not a drill and kill and there's 100 questions, low-level questions. Lovely. Okay, so let's have a look at some others. Social studies worksheets. Nice, just beautifully designed. Under the sea, looking at different animals and coloring in, handwriting, coloring pages. Okay, let's have a look at some of the other templates because I'm quite excited to explore this with you. If you're starting your own business, you can create your own logo here. What else do we have? So we were looking at, I like planners. I love writing lists of things to do, a to-do list every day. And we have the talking presentation. If you wanted to record like a short video for your students. Anything else? Oh, the graphs. Okay, I think I'm going to look at the graphs next because that's probably more pertinent and it's more relevant to mathematics. So look at this one. Oh, linear diagram, write your topic, heading. Okay, they're different graphs. A bar graph, nice. Pie chart. And here is a donut chart, a Venn diagram. I find these really useful. These types of organizers, graphic organizers, I think help students to be able to distinguish examples, non-examples, or even a compare and contrast. And then let me just scroll down and have a look at some of the other charts as well. Comparison, a SWOT analysis. I love that. What's this one? Yep, traditional versus adaptive. Different SWOT analysis, cycle diagrams. I mean, this is the best website that I know of that will help, I think, present any information that you want to in a beautifully designed way. It helps us to be able to convey complex messages, I think, in a visually pleasing way and coherent and clear way. Okay, so if you use Canva and you've got any other tips, please feel free to share them with me in the comment section below. I just play around with things. I'm learning as I go, but the tool is so easy to use. So I do recommend it for everybody, whether you're a student, whether you're an adult, whether you're a teacher, whether you're not a teacher, whether you own your own business. This platform will really help you to convey your message in a beautifully presented and designed way. Thank you so much for joining me this week, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.